This technique can be used to answer key questions in the field of cognitive science, like how mental imagery during encoding can affect the source monitoring of memories later on. The main advantage of this technique is the automated presentation can be used to systematically control the presentation of stimuli in a classroom environment.
Though the method can be used to provide insight into the different types of associative processing on working and long-term memory, it can also be used as an in-class demonstration of the basic principles of cognitive psychology, such as false memories, dual encoding, and semantic networks.
Begin by creating 4 separate presentations of word lists: Imagery A, Imagery B, Non-Imagery A, and Non-Imagery B. Ensure that all 4 presentations are void of templates or designs, with white backgrounds and black font. Entitle the first content slide Instructions. In the body of the instructions slide, include the relevant instructions according to whether the presentation is designated as imagery or non-imagery. Following the instructions slide, create slide 2 and type Prepare for the practice list, centered vertically and horizontally on the slide in 44-point font. On slides 3 through 10, present the practice list words in order, 1 word per slide, centered horizontally and vertically, in lowercase 72-point font. Go under Transitions in the menu to designate a slide duration of 5 seconds. Next, on slide 11, indicate the end of the practice list and the beginning of recall by typing End of Practice List in black font, with the word recall capitalized and double-spaced below it in red font. Designate a slide duration.